Hello and welcome to another diagnostics video from Automotive Diagnosis YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to test the CAN bus network using a multimeter. Let's start. At first, we will have a look at the CAN bus network. Then I show you how to test the CAN bus resistance. Next step is to check the CAN bus high and low voltage. And at the end we will see how we can test the short to ground. Let's start by CAN bus basic. CAN bus network is designed to minimize the wiring used in the car, and bring more reliability with the high-speed data transfer. Different types of CAN bus have been used in the cars, like powertrain CAN, body CAN, or multimedia CAN. This diagnostic video is only applicable on the high-speed CAN, which is called CAN, or powertrain CAN. Normally engine, transmission, ABS, for WD, electric power steering and a couple of other units are connected through this CAN bus. Let's see how we can check the CAN bus resistance. On the CAN bus network, there is a twisted pair wiring which is called CAN high and CAN low. All relevant control units are connected to this wires in parallel. There is a terminating resistance at each end of the CAN bus as well, which is 120 ohm. Where are they located? One of them is mostly inside the engine control module, and other one could be inside the ABS, or instrument cluster, or BCM, or it can be an external resistance. But you must check the workshop manual first to find the locations for your car. So considering the parallel circuit, the total resistance for the CAN bus would be 60 ohm. But how can we measure it? The easiest way to check the CAN bus is at OBD2 connectors. As you see, there is one pin for the CAN high and another one for CAN low. So we can check the CAN bus from here. But you must know that in some cars, there is a specific CAN bus for the scan tool, called DCAN or Diagnostic CAN, which may give you a different reading, as it is not connected directly to the powertrain CAN. So in this case, you must check the CAN bus from another place like the ECM wiring. Let's see how I measured the resistance in the CAN bus. Make sure ignition switch is off, and wait until CAN bus goes to the sleep mode. Then measure the resistance between CAN high and CAN low. Your measurement must be about 60 ohm. But what happens if there is open circuit in one resistance? Let's remove the ECM connector on this car to create the open circuit, then I check the resistance again. As you see, now my reading is 120 ohm, which is just for one resistance, showing that there is an open circuit in another one. Now I am going to check the CAN bus voltage. As you know, there are two wires in the CAN bus, CAN high and CAN low. Voltage in the CAN high starts from 2.5 volt and goes up to 3.5 volt. While voltage in CAN low starts from 2.5 volt and goes down to 1.5 volt. This voltage change happens very fast, so if you are taking the measurement with the multimeter, you will read the average voltage, which is about 2.6 volt for the CAN high and about 2.4 volt for the CAN low. So for checking the voltage, I turn the ignition switch on to wake up the CAN bus. Then I check the voltage between the CAN high and body ground, then CAN low and body ground. After checking the voltage, you can check the short to ground on the CAN bus as well. So, turn the ignition switch off, and check the continuity between CAN high and body ground, then check the continuity between CAN low and body ground. There should not be any continuity between each CAN bus and body ground. If there is any, it means that CAN bus is shorted to the ground. Thanks for watching. I will prepare another video for checking the CAN bus with an oscilloscope. So, please subscribe the channel and keep in touch.